Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable two-step verification to keep your Telegram account extra secure. So let's get started. I have my Telegram app open and I'm going to click on this button at the top left. So this opens a small sidebar and here I'm going to click on settings. Here in settings, I'm going to navigate to the privacy and security tab. Then I'm going to click on the two-step verification option. This should be the first option underneath security. So I'm going to create a password. Let's create a password real quick. Password hint. I'm going to skip this. And I can also add a recovery email. There we go. So I'm going to enter the code sent to my email real quick. And there we go. So now I have two-step verification enabled. So my account is now protected with an additional password. And I've also set up the recovery email, which is the only way to recover a forgotten password. So I highly recommend you don't skip that step. There we go. So that was how to enable two-step verification on your Telegram account to make it extra secure. I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.